Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now here we are at HomeGoods, walking around taking a look at their home decor. Come on with me guys. Now this area here is all clearance, so let's see what kind of goodies we can find. Okay, now in this video today, it is a special collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club, and it is Vlogtober, so let's get started, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Remember, in the month of October, we bring you Vlogtober every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, now let me tell you who's hosting. So we have Allie from Glam Elegant Decor and Design. I hope I got that right. She is the main host. Then we have Creations by Simone, Miriam Creative Corner, Design to a T, Tablescapes by Candy, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And so every Friday we bring you in the month of October, Vlogtober. And so it's many different ideas for the fall season. So just sit back, grab your coffee, and enjoy. Now remember that every time you click that like button and full watch a video or even share the video, this helps us to grow. And then commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. I absolutely love home goods. I can be in this store all day long. So I'm hoping you're enjoying the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.